What if your fear of tomorrow is dimming the light of today? Picture yourself lying awake at night, heart heavy with questions. Will I land that job? Will I find peace? Will my dreams ever come true? That worry feels like a knot in your chest, stealing the joy you're chasing. I see you, and I feel it too, we all do. You're not alone in this longing for a life filled with strength, happiness, and purpose. Today, with deep empathy for your journey, I'm honored to share 3 Buddhist-inspired lessons to help you release worry's grip. These lessons, drawn from timeless wisdom, will touch your soul, guiding you to live fully now with a heart open to joy and a spirit rooted in peace. Lesson 1. Flow with life's ever-changing river. Imagine a river carving its way through a forest, its waters swirling around stones, never clinging to one spot. Life is that river, your dreams, your fears, your heart, all in constant motion. The Buddha taught anicca, impermanence, as a gentle truth. Everything changes, and fighting that truth breeds worry. You might be pouring your heart into a new venture, a job, a passion project, yet fear whispers, what if it fails? But what if you trusted the river's flow instead? This isn't about giving up control. It's about finding courage. Take one small step today, maybe tweaking a resume or sketching an idea. The Buddha said, "Nothing is permanent except change." When you embrace this, you let go of the need to predict tomorrow. You stand in today's current, strong and free, feeling the weight of worry lift. This trust opens your heart, leading you to the next lesson, the power of now. Lesson 2. Anchor your heart in the present. Close your eyes and feel your breath, soft like a whisper on a still night. This moment, right here, is where life happens. Yet worry drags you away, spinning tales of a future you can't control. The Buddha's gift of mindfulness is a lifeline, calling you back to now. For you, chasing happiness and strength, this is your sanctuary. When fear tightens its hold, pause. Notice the warmth of your hands, the rhythm of your breath, the quiet hum of the world. Focus on one task, maybe writing a single sentence or savoring a sip of coffee. The Buddha taught, the only moment you have is now. This present soothes your soul, like sunlight breaking through clouds. It sharpens your focus and fills you with peace, a peace that carries you to the next lesson, where the journey itself becomes your treasure. Lesson 3. Pour your soul into the path. There's no need to repeat yourself. You're not alone in your fears, your dreams, or your strength. These lessons, flowing with change, anchoring in the present, and loving the journey, are your path to freedom. Start small. Take 5 minutes to breathe, letting worry drift like leaves on water. Write down one fear and ask, what can I do now? A kind word to yourself, a moment of gratitude. These are drops filling your heart's cup, as the Buddha taught. You are enough. Step into this moment and let joy bloom. If this stirred your soul, hold it close. Reflect, return, and carry this wisdom into your next breath. You're not just chasing peace, you're already holding it. Imagine standing at the edge of a quiet lake, its surface reflecting the stars above, your heart steady and full. These 3 Buddhist lessons, flowing with life's changes, anchoring in the present and pouring your soul into the journey, are your path to letting go of worry's weight. For you, yearning for strength, happiness, and a life radiant with purpose, they're a gentle reminder. The future doesn't hold your joy, this moment does. You're not alone in your fears or dreams, and you don't need to be perfect. Take one mindful breath today, one small act of courage, and trust, as the Buddha taught, that drop by drop, the water pot is filled. You are enough, woven into the universe's vast beauty. Step into now and let peace bloom. Reflect, return, and carry this wisdom forward. Your heart is ready.